In this video, I'm going to show you an example of creating the simplest routing rule, which is equivalent to a default routing rule. I'll be creating routing rule such that the read requests will be sent to a backend Teradata system chosen by Unity based on the shortest queue algorithm. However, all the write requests, for example, a create statement, will be sent to all the backend Teradata systems. Let's begin by signing on to the Viewpoint portal using Unity admin username and password. Click on Unity configuration tab, click on session routing tab, choose the routing rules option, click on plus and add the new routing rule, rule 5. I left the read routing and create routing options as default, and I chose both Astro and Chili for reads and writes. This means that read requests will be sent to either Astro or Chili depending on which system is chosen by Unity based on the shortest queue algorithm. And write requests will be sent to both Astro and Chili, for example creating objects or doing operations like insert, update or delete will be sent to both Astro and Chili. Now select user mappings option and click on plus to associate mstr_user4 with rule 5. Save it. Now I'll show you an example of this routing rule using Teradata admin tool. I have populated different records into a table under mstr_user4 user in Astro and Chili so that we can differentiate from where the records are being read from. As you can see, I'm connected to Astro Teradata system, and I'm going to execute a select query on mstr_user4.abc table. The table has records like Astro 1, Astro 2, Astro 3, Astro 4 and Astro. Now I'm connected to Chili and the select query returns different records, for example Chili, Chili 1, Chili 2, Chili 3. Now we'll log on to the Gluon Unity server using mstr_user4, which is associated with rule 5 in Unity. Remember that rule 5 is a read auto and write auto routing rule. Let's see what result set is returned when we execute the same select statement. You can see that the first time I execute the select statement, it returns records from Astro. The second time it returns records from Chili, and the third time it again returns records from Astro. At this point, I would like you to remember that we had different records populated into Astro and Chili, and that's why we are seeing different result sets. Also remember that since we are logged on with mstr_user4, which obeys the rule 5, the backend Teradata system is chosen by Unity based on the shortest queue algorithm, and hence it randomly returns data once from Astro and once from Chili. There is no strict ordering here. I'm going back to Viewpoint, and under Components tab in Unity Director, I'm going to halt Astro. I'm doing this to demonstrate that when Astro is out of service, Unity knows to route the read requests to Chili. Now let's go back to Gluon and execute the select statement again on mstr_user4.abc table. You will see that results are returned back from Chili. I'll execute this 2 more times, and because Astro is not available, results are always returned from Chili. Let's go back to the Viewpoint portal and restore the system Astro. Astro is back online. So now if we execute the select statement on Gluon, we'll see alternating result sets being returned. Remember that the intention of having different records in Astro and Chili was to demonstrate how routing works. In real world, all the backend Teradata systems managed by Unity will have same records.